Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how a simple padlock or a pin tumbler lock works. So together with this, is the tension wrench and a bunch of lockpicks. So anyway, for now we're gonna use this one. As you can see here, we have a transparent lock. You can see some springs and some pins, so you can see there. So those are called the driving pins. So the goal here is to make sure that the pins are aligned. So let me demonstrate. Okay, here we have, I choose this lockpick. So I'll show you how this lockpick works. So you see these pins over here at the bottom. So when you push at the bottom, you'll see it go up. So the driving pins will go up. So you can do that for all those pins. So you can see this one, this one, this one. See, they're all going up. And you can actually see the other pin at the bottom here. You see? So there's a gap in between. So as long as all these pins, so these pins by the way have different sizes. I mean, some are longer, some are shorter. So the way to open this one is when all these pins are aligned. So when they're aligned, meaning the gap is within this, they call it the shear line. So when the gap is there, the second pin at the bottom can't freely turn. So that's why it will open. So as you can see here, I think you can see here. You turn there. Those are the other pins there. So you can see them moving. Okay, so let's try it with the lockpick. So this is a tension wrench. What it does is it helps hold. It pushes this thing, like a drum, I think. It pushes it there, and usually you apply a little pressure. While you're pushing this one, you try to push the pins up, and if the pin hits it gets aligned, then it will stop moving. So this tension wrench makes sure that pin will not go back down. So until all the pins are aligned. So let's see if we can align everything here. So I can feel the tension wrench moving. So let's go deeper. Wait, where am I stuck? There. So now I'm at the bottom. So you can see here the tension wrench is moving. It means that some of the pins have been aligned. So I try to go back slowly, slowly. Then push again. So you can see the pins going up. So I just wait for that, for everything to get aligned again. So usually you pick, so there's, see, oops, I think it's overset, you got overset. So you reset by releasing the tension wrench. Then you push through again. So once everything is aligned, then you can open this one. Another tool which is frequently used is this one over here, I think. This one. So you can see there are 3 bumps. So by using this one, you can push 3 pins at the same time. But we call this raking. You just push and pull until the pin will hit will align. So just push, pull, push, pull, push. So you rake like that until pins are aligned. Okay, then it will open up. Sometimes this one is faster. Just move it in, out, then here. Then it opens up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.